Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to play Brawl Stars on a laptop. To get started, you will need an Android emulator. These clever programs create a virtual Android environment right on your computer, letting you run mobile games and apps seamlessly. There are several excellent choices available, such as BlueStacks, Nox Player, and LD Player. Make sure to pick one that works well with your computer's operating system for the best experience. Once you have chosen your preferred emulator, the next step is installation. Head over to its official website and download the installer file. After the download is complete, simply run the installer and follow the straightforward on-screen prompts. You will also need to complete the initial setup, which typically involves logging in with your Google account. This step is crucial for accessing the Google Play Store later on. With your emulator successfully installed and set up, it is time to get Brawl Stars. Open the Google Play Store directly within your emulator, just as you would on an Android phone. Use the search bar to find Brawl Stars, then click the Install button. The game will download and install automatically, usually taking only a few minutes depending on your internet speed. To truly enjoy Brawl Stars on your laptop, optimizing your experience is key. Most emulators offer robust control mapping, allowing you to assign game actions to your keyboard and mouse for much better precision than touch controls. Also, dive into the emulator settings to fine-tune performance and graphics. Make sure your computer has at least 4 GB of RAM and a decent processor for smooth gameplay.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.